To fix the issue of Apple Pay not being able to add a card, it is essential to understand the possible reasons behind this problem. The most common reasons include incorrect card information, insufficient funds, or issues with the card issuer. First, ensure that your card is compatible with Apple Pay and that it has not been previously added to the device. If the card is compatible, check that the card information, such as the card number and expiration date, is correct. Next, verify that your account has sufficient funds to complete the transaction. If the account balance is low, consider adding funds before attempting to add the card to Apple Pay. Another possible reason for the issue is a problem with the card issuer. Contact the card issuer to confirm that there are no restrictions on the card and that it can be used for mobile payments. To solve the issue, start by restarting your device, as this can often resolve any software-related problems. Then, go to the Wallet app and try adding the card again. If the issue persists, remove any existing cards from the Wallet app and try adding the new card. Additionally, check for any updates to the operating system and install the latest version. Ensure that the card issuer's app is also up to date, as this can affect the ability to add the card to Apple Pay. If none of these steps resolve the issue, consider contacting the card issuer or Apple support for further assistance. They can provide more detailed guidance and help resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Apple Pay not being able to add a card and start using the service without any problems.